This is my friend, Tonia Tomlin. She is also the owner of Sort It Out. A big thing about making the transition to dorm life a little bit smoother is to make your dorm feel like a home away from home. And I think you made that happen.
Yes, I'm so excited because one of the things I love is making a space for somebody to be just calm, collected, more productive. And if it's, nice and, just all the pretty colors.
All the pretty stuff. And I want to give our viewers an opportunity to see what the dorm looked like before, okay? So we've got some video to show that. Nothing wrong with it as the viewers are looking at this video. There's nothing wrong with it, but there's nothing homey about it. There's nothing cozy about it. It has a kind of a sterile look, and that's unfortunately how it is when you first walk into a dorm. So the key is to kind of lighten that up, cozy it up, as well as have some organizational bins in place to make the student feel like they're a little bit more organized before hitting the books and heading to class.
Yes, and if you're more organized and it feels a home away from home, you're going to be a lot more productive and want to be invited into your dorm room.
All right, well, we're standing here at the dorm. This is a big tease because I'm going to give you the big reveal. You saw the before. The reveal is about to happen just a little bit later in the show, so stay tuned for that. But for now, I'll send it back to you in the studio. Hey, good morning to you, and good morning, Texas. Yes, we are back on the campus of Texas Wesleyan University, fantastic university here in Fort Worth. We're going to be giving you the big reveal for the dorm. Are you excited, Tonia Tomlin?
I'm excited. Yes, I'm so excited.
Just to reintroduce her, this is Tonia Tomlin with Sort It Out. So she's been working, she's been very busy giving this room a whole new makeover. So ready?
Yes.
Drum roll, please, which we don't have one. So 3, 2, 1. Check it out. Tanya, this looks beautiful. I want this in my house, let alone in a dorm. What a fantastic job. Let's talk a little bit about what you did to kind of make this place feel a little bit more cozy and also more organized.
You want to make this a home like we were talking about before. So you pull in, your favorite colors, you put some, just relaxing vibes in here and just make it really like your bedroom at home. And I just want it to be functional but fun.
I have to say, it really did kind of brighten up the entire space. It does feel lighter, although the lighting really hasn't particularly changed. But you've been so thoughtful and been so smart with the decisions you've made. In particular, I noticed that these beds are elevated, and that's for a reason.
So anytime you're in a dorm room, we want to go vertical with your space. We want to maximize all opportunities in here. And I particularly love this bedside caddy. It's very organized. You have things at your fingertips, and it gives you just that extra, like, okay, I need a little extra, pen, pencil, my book. And, while you're relaxing right here in your nice new organized dorm room, you have everything at your fingertips.
Well, and one thing that I think that college kids struggle with is that they are used to being home with mom and dad. They may or may not be as accustomed to or understand the importance of being organized and how that can also help reduce stress. By having these kind of built-in, or not built-in, but having these kind of containers that you've created, including stuff for your snacks as well, it just makes somebody feel more organized so that they can tackle the day and they can tackle whatever challenges college may bring.
Yes, time management is such a big deal, and that's one of the things we specialize in. So I want to make it easy for somebody to come in here and be relaxed, but actually be motivated to save time with the calendars, with, being organized in your desk, having a charging station. I love the charging station. It's like a one-stop shop. I'm going to dock all this and save that time, so I can get up and be ready to go. And then you also have, your storage under the beds.
Right, and speaking of saving too, the cost you were sharing with me about how you were really paying attention to the budget, because guess what, most kids are broke. These different items that you've been able to find were very low cost. We're talking a few bucks here and there, and it really makes a world of difference.
Yes, I think that having a budget in mind, being reasonable, organization doesn't have to be expensive. So that's one of the things that I really am focusing on is just, how can I be organized but save some money at the same time? So, you can pick up something here and there at, Home Goods or Target, whatever it is, just have it a function in mind.
Make sure that there is a place for it. Make sure that there is a function for it.
And labeled.
Oh, okay.
And labeled. If you're going to save yourself some time, okay, I'm looking for, my shoes, sheets, blankets, towel, whatever it is that you're looking for, have it clearly labeled and do maintenance. about once a month, just kind of go through your items and say, I probably could use a refresh in this space. Or you know what, I need to replace some things in my desk.
And who would have thought that being organized and having just a fresh, inviting room could make you feel less homesick, but indeed it does. Tonia, this is so much fun. Congratulations. You did a wonderful, wonderful job. For more information, you can check out Tonia at sortedout.com. Also, for more information about Texas Wesleyan, you can go to their website too, which is txwes.edu. Appreciate it. All right, I'll send it back to you.